Hi, my name is Mike Gelker, and I'm the Air Supply Product Manager for Festo. Today I would like to talk about compressed air quality and preparation and how it relates to the food and packaging industry. Properly prepared compressed air is essential to ensure reliable and efficient operation of machines and pneumatic components like cylinders and valves. To achieve the required air quality, we must remove contaminants, such as dust particles, as well as water and oil in both liquid and vapor forms. Poorly prepared compressed air leads to shorter component service life, reduced machine availability, and higher energy and maintenance costs. The quality of compressed air is defined by the grade of filtration, the residual oil content, and the pressure dew point, which is the lowest temperature to which compressed air can be cooled without the precipitation of water. Solid particles occur in the form of dust, which is classified according to the particle size in microns. To give you some perspective of the size of a micron, a grain of sand is 100 microns, and the smallest particle the human eye can see is 40 microns. To remove liquid water, we use water separators, which create a cyclone effect and spins the water to the outside of the chamber, causing it to collect in the bottom. To remove dust and water in the range of 40 to 5 microns, we use filters, which force the air through a centered filter element, collecting the large particles in the bottom of the bowl. To remove smaller particles, as well as oil, in the range of 1 to 0.01 microns, we use coalescing filters. To remove water vapor, air dryers are used to reduce the pressure dew point. The most common types are membrane dryers and absorption dryers, which utilize a desiccant. In order to remove any odors or oil vapors, we use an active carbon filter. This is essential in the food industry to prevent contamination and ensure the food product tastes good. For example, when packaging a loaf of bread, air is blown into the bag to inflate it so that the bread can easily be fed into it. This air must be dry and odor-free. To ensure that manufacturers around the world follow the same guidelines, an international standard was created. ISO standard 8573 specifies purity classes relating to the quality or purity of compressed air. There are 3 categories for solid particles, water, and oil, which specify the maximum amount of contaminants that can be present. The classes range from 0 to 9, with 0 being the highest quality and 9 the lowest quality. An example classification is 1.4.1, which indicates a Class 1 rating for solid particles, Class 4 for water, and Class 1 for oil. The 1.4.1 is a common requirement for food packaging machines, as well as wet food processing, such as drinks, meat, or vegetables. Dry food processing or conveying, such as bread or potato chips, requires a more stringent 1.2.1 classification. We have a very nice brochure with information on compressed air preparation, including details of the ISO standard for air purity, as well as which components and filters are required to meet various air quality classes for common applications in different industries. You can find this brochure and much more information about air preparation and the food and beverage industry on the Festo website. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. If you have any questions, you can contact us by phone at 800-99-FESTO or by email at product.support@us.festo.com.